Maintenance Stage 1, Daily Cleaning of Resin Residues from the Equipment Appearance. Turn off the machine power before starting maintenance. Put on medical gloves. Pour a small amount of alcohol onto the dust-free cloth, wring it out, and ensure that alcohol does not drip from cloth. Begin wiping the resin-covered areas of the equipment enclosure. Repower the machine and restart the software. Maintenance Stage 2, Check and maintenance of moving parts, sliding rails, sliders, and infusion peristaltic pump. If used for 24 hours, maintenance should be performed every 2 months, otherwise, every 6 months. Turn off the machine power before maintenance. Remove the machine enclosure. Remove the protective sheet metal on both sides of the squeegee sliding rail sliders. Remove the middle shading sheet metal. Put on gloves. Use a dust-free cloth dampened with alcohol to clean the resin on both sides of the guide rail sliders. Clean the resin on the middle lead screw. Apply lubricant to both sides of the guide rail. Move the guide rail sliders back and forth to ensure the lubricant is evenly distributed on the guide rails. Apply semi-solid lead screw lubricant to the lead screw. Keep the gloves on, go to the back of the machine, and open the machine cover. Use a dust-free cloth dampened with alcohol to clean the resin from the float lead screw. Apply grease to the float lead screw. Open the locking switch of the infusion peristaltic pump and clean it with a dust-free cloth dampened with alcohol. Use a brush to apply grease to the 3 rolling devices on the infusion peristaltic pump. Then close the locking switch of the infusion peristaltic pump. Reinstall the disassembled parts onto the machine. Repower the machine and restart the software. Maintenance Stage 3, Check and maintenance of optical lens. Recommended maintenance frequency, once a month. Put on medical gloves. Turn off the machine power before maintenance. Check the optical lens for resin, dust, and foreign objects. Take out the optical lens wiping paper to wipe the optical lens until all resin, dust, and foreign objects are removed. Note: do not wipe the lens back and forth. Repower the machine and restart the software. Maintenance Stage 4, Check the gap between the platform and the squeegee. Edge gap requirements, 0.1 to 0.3 mm range. If used for 24 hours, maintenance should be performed every 2 months, otherwise, every 6 months. Operate the software to reset the squeegee button, placing the platform in the print status. Turn off the machine and then measure it. Put on gloves. Use a feeler gauge to check the gaps at the 6 edge positions: upper left, middle left, lower left, upper right, middle right, and lower right of the platform, and maintain a record. Operate the software to move the platform. It is recommended to move it to the negative limit position to facilitate gasket installation. Remove the enclosures on both sides of the machine. Use a hex wrench to loosen the 6 platform retaining screws, and add gaskets to any edge gaps exceeding 0.3 mm. Tighten the platform retaining screws. Repeat the above steps to verify that the gaps are within the 0.1 to 0.3 mm range. After inspection, restore the machine to its original state. Repower the machine and restart the software. Maintenance Stage 5: Cleaning the resin cylinder. Recommended to carry out maintenance every 6 months. Prepare 2 empty resin buckets. Refilter the resin in the cylinder to remove residues for reuse. Take out a 150 mesh filter cloth and make a filter bucket. Take out an empty resin bucket, open the trough switch, drain the resin until empty, then close the trough switch. Pour the resin from the resin bucket into the filter bucket and wait for the filtration to complete. After filtration is complete, squeeze the remaining resin from the filter cloth into the filter bucket. Pour the filtered resin back into the trough to complete the cleaning of the resin trough.